Well, welcome to the affiliate panel, and thank you for joining our program. Once you log into your affiliate dashboard, you'll be presented with the home page. On the home page, we have just a quick overview of your stats. Up here on the top, you have your direct affiliate link, which you'll note if you signed up with a custom affiliate ID, that'll be appended to the end of your affiliate link. And as you scroll down, there's various links in here. A little chart shows you it's been approved, paid, and pending in the way of earnings. We have an affiliate panel tutorial video. There will be more videos coming in the future. Your profile page, we encourage everybody to fill this out. Reports, campaigns, banners and links, direct URLs. Over on the left side, we have some additional links. To briefly go over them, we have a page called Getting Started, which shows you your promotional tips, frequently asked questions, advanced tracking, and direct link tracking explained, which is a pretty cool feature. Further down the menu here, we've got commissions. This is where all of your earnings will show up. Under promotion, this is where you go to start a campaign, get links. There are various different campaigns with banners on each side, each of the campaigns. You can create different channels. Again, you've got links to reports and whatnot. We have an affiliate link protector, deep link generator to specific products. Here too, now we'll have videos coming in the future that will explain more of these in detail. We have a reports page, which gives you quite a bit of information, daily reports, quick stats, trends reports, your payouts. And as we scroll down here a little further, we've got your profile page. Again, we encourage everybody to complete the personal details section of your profile, payment details, what you want in the way of email notifications, themes. Currently we're on a default theme that we've customized somewhat. There will probably be more themes coming along in the future. And if you needed to contact us if you had any questions, please feel free to use the Contact Us page in your dashboard. Your FAQ page. Direct links explained. This is a very cool feature with our affiliate program. I would encourage you to have a read of it, and if you wanted to actually start setting up and using the direct link URLs, this is where you would go to check to make sure that you have a valid URL. Add the URL, we'll approve it on the backside. But that's basically the affiliate dashboard. Upcoming videos will, of course, provide more detail on each of these components inside the dashboard. But again, thank you for joining, and happy earnings.